5 new vehicles that arrived this morning. So vehicles come into Sri Lanka, where we're very proudly based every day of the week. So these are all left-hand drive, but in a matter of weeks, these will be converted from left-hand drive to right-hand drive by our insanely talented crew. So the classic, or the new classic, which is the 2024 Hummer EV SUV, absolutely lovely. This is the edition 1, so moonshot green, 3 motors. It is an absolute EV beast. Then sitting next to it is an absolutely spectacular, again a 2024, so this is a GMC Sierra 2500, but it's the Denali Ultimate. And check this color out. This is redwood metallic, really unusual. You know, we see lots of black cars and white cars, etc., but this is just super special. And you can tell that this is a Denali Ultimate because you can see the Vader grille, so the downplayed chrome on the front ends. So Hummer, the GMC Sierra, which are awesome pickup trucks. This is probably, well, it was always my favorite. So this is a 2024 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate. Again, you can tell it's the Ultimate because of the Vader trim on it. SUV, 7-seat. It is beautiful. I love them. We do lots and lots and lots of them. Obviously fully homologated ISO, all the normal proper things that we do, shipping them around the world. But today, we had something really cool arrive. Now this is genuinely a world first. So this is a 2024 Dodge Durango. Now this is the RT version, so 5.7 litre Hemi V8. This thing, it's a 6-seat SUV, but it is the muscle car to buy when you're not allowed to buy a muscle car, if that makes sense. So if you're not allowed to buy a Challenger or a Charger, this is your compromise. It's got the absolute heart of a muscle car, 6 seats, luxurious, but it's going to be the first ever Dodge Durango in right-hand drive. And then another Hummer EV. So I guess I really wanted to show you the fact that today alone, 5 vehicles are in, probably the same tomorrow and the same after, but all of these vehicles in a matter of weeks will be converted from left-hand drive to right-hand drive by my incredible team. So we've got 175 people here. As anybody who watches our channels knows, we've been doing this for 30 years. Do us a favor, like, subscribe, comment to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends, maybe even comment what vehicle you'd maybe think we should be considering when it comes to doing a left-hand drive to right-hand drive conversion. Thanks guys, cheers, bye.